Artist Home welcomes you to a simple and effective guide to drawing the human figure. To draw a figure properly, the first and most important step is to capture the idea with simple lines. Don't start with details. First, observe the pose. Look at the head. Is it straight, tilted, or looking to the side? Place a light circle or oval to mark the head. Then notice where the arms are going. Are they lifted, relaxed, or stretched forward? Use one simple line to show the direction of each arm. Do the same for the body and the legs. Just a few light lines are enough to show the balance and action of the figure. At the beginning, don't worry about the small details. Think of the body as a structure made from simple shapes, the head like a circle, the body like an egg or a box, the arms and legs like lines or cylinders. These basic shapes help you understand the pose clearly and quickly. Always use a reference image. It will teach you how the real human body moves. Notice how the weight shifts, which leg the person is standing on, how the spine curves, how the shoulders and hips tilt in opposite directions. These small observations make your figure feel alive, not stiff. Once your basic idea is correct, go to the second step, adding volume. Slowly give thickness to the arms and legs. Build the chest, the hips, and the neck area. Keep your lines soft. Don't try to make perfect lines in one stroke. Drawing is a process of correcting and improving. After the structure looks balanced and natural, then start adding details. Add hands and feet shapes, clothing folds, and the face. Then, in the final stage, add shading and light to make the figure look three-dimensional. Details always come last, because if your base is wrong, the entire drawing will look wrong even after beautiful detailing. So remember this simple rule for success in figure drawing. Idea first, details later. First the gesture, then the form, and only then the details. Practice every day, even for just 5 to 10 minutes. Draw quick gestures from references: standing, running, jumping, dancing. The more you draw, the more your hand and eyes will improve. Figure drawing is not about making a perfect drawing at once. It's about learning how the human body speaks through posture and movement. Enjoy the flow of lines, enjoy the improvement, and let your drawing express life. This is Artist Home, helping you grow step by step into the artist you want to become. Keep practicing. Your figures will get better, stronger, and more natural every single day.